Hello and welcome. In this lecture, we are going to talk about how to install Vagrant in Windows 10. So, download the Vagrant from that uh, just open that in Vagrant website, like in vagrantapp.com and downloads.html, or you can find that in a other site in going forward if they are going to change that in a URL, but most probably not. And then just click on that Windows 60-bit or like in 32-bit. So I had did that in Windows 64-bit, and it's downloaded into that in my PC as a MSI file. And then the download MSI is there, just double click on that and you'll be see something like that. Just run anyway, and it will be prompt something like that: Windows, welcome to Vagrant setup wizard. Click on the next and let it accept that in I accept the term and license in that in accept button. Click the next. Again, you can change that in directory structures if you want, and I did that in a custom one instead of a default one. So I just choose like in C clone software Vagrant and click on the next and click on the finally install. So after that it will take a few minutes of time and the installations will be done, something like that, in a update component registrations. And finally you will get that in a Vagrant setup windows completed the Vagrant setup wizard. Click finish button to exit the setup wizard. Just click the finish button and you'll all done. So you must restart your that system for doing the configurations. Click yes, and then all done. Just click on that in a run button, type the command, open the command prompt and just type that in a Vagrant -v. You'll all done in these lectures, and please let me know if you have any concerns. I'll be answered within 24 hours. And thanks for watching.